What is going on, everybody? Right here in front of me is the TrueFree Clip C10 wireless earbuds. Now these are open ear true wireless earbuds made by TrueFree. Now TrueFree was nice enough to send me a free pair of these for me to review. And of course I'm going to do an unboxing video here. And as you know, last year I reviewed the TrueFree F2 earphones. They were actually clip-ons that go around the back of your neck. But anyway, let's unbox these right here. So right here is a knife, and we're just gonna come right under here. You can see a barcode right there, doesn't matter. We'll just slide that right there. Slide here. I'm probably messing this up a bit, but who cares? We're just gonna get this unboxed. I could come in here, slice there. Let's see here. Okay, we're gonna open there. All right, well, it's enough to get the packaging off essentially. So right here, we're gonna unpackage these. This is a pretty nice box. I mean, it's not luxury by any means, but it's a pretty nice unboxing experience. Of course, I'm just gonna real quickly put this knife away, toss that off to the side, and let's see here. Does this slide out? Yes, it does. Now, of course, right here you could see the Bluetooth frequency response range up to 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Bluetooth version 5.4. The maximum distance is 10 meters. Playtime about 8 hours up to 28 hours with the charging case. Of course, this has a 40 milliamp hour battery. This has 40 milliamp hours in each earbud, 300 milliamp hours in the charging case. And of course, what else do you get? Oh, well, you don't get anything else really. You get the charging case, you get the earbuds. That's that. So here's the main box. We just took off the packaging essentially. Okay, how do you open this? Right here. All right, and you're met with this memory foam thing. Well, this is interesting right here. You got your charging case right there. Of course, also inside the box is probably the cable here to charge. If I had to take my best guess, I would say it's USB-C, right? Am I right or am I wrong? If I could just unbox this. I am correct. This is USB Type-C right here for you. We'll just put this all off to the side. Now, of course, here's the QR code to download the TrueFree. I think it's to download. No, this is actually the warranty. So, okay, so you would have to, right there, you would have to download the TrueFree app, obviously. Right there, TrueFree branding. And right here are your earbuds. Now, of course, these will clip onto the back of your ears, I think. So we'll just leave that in there for now. All right, so right here, I got the TrueFree app already installed on my Galaxy S25 Plus, so we're gonna open it. 30 million units, nice, cool. We're just gonna enter the app, agree, continue, and I have to apparently put in my password. Okay, so real quickly, before I actually pair anything, I have to remove this sticker. I'll just put it there somewhere. And of course, remove this sticker here as well. And now they've been removed. All right, so at this point, I've removed both stickers. And of course, now it's time to pair it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the charging ware right here. They call it the charging ware, I don't know why, but we're gonna open it right there, and boom. Now we're gonna put this down. Now, select your TrueFree device in the system Bluetooth. So of course, first I actually have to remove these apparently. And now we're gonna go into Bluetooth. It's scanning right there, TrueFree Clip C10 right there. We're gonna pair and boom, we're ready to go. Now right here it's telling me welcome. Here you got gaming mode. Oh, apparently the promo code thing just came up for some reason. So you got gaming mode, custom touch, more functions. I like custom touch, by the way, which you could actually adjust different things. Right here you could adjust click, double click, three blows, press 1.5 seconds. So this is the way it works for right now. Of course, I'm gonna adjust it so that this way I could use it. You have your equalizers here. You got a preset. You got customize right here, and then of course you got adaptive. So there's all that. Of course, you could turn on gaming mode as well. So my first impressions are that I really like these earbuds, to be honest with you, even though they're actually open ear earbuds, which I'm not really a fan of open ear, to be honest with you, but I actually really like these, and they don't offer noise cancellation, but they actually block out some noise pretty decently well, actually surprisingly well. But anyway, the way these fit on your ears is that the big part will actually go right behind your ear while the band kind of holds it up and holds the ball part right here. This is where the speaker is in your ear. So that's how you hear the noise coming from these earbuds. Now right under here is the button. Now a single press will turn up and down the volume depending upon which one you press. Double pressing will play or pause, not depending upon which earbud you press. And triple pressing will either turn on game mode or activate your voice assistant depending upon which one you press. Now, so far I really like these, and I can't wait to test them out in the field, in the gym, wherever I test them out. I'm gonna be doing a video review for you very soon. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like, and I will see you in the next one. See ya, bye.